Apoorva Mukhija's close friend and fellow travel creator, Anunay Sood, has passed away at the age of 32. The Dubai-based Indian travel influencer and photographer's untimely death has left the digital community in deep shock and sorrow. His family confirmed the heartbreaking news through an official statement on his Instagram account. The post read, "It is with deep sadness that we share the news of our beloved Anunay Sood's passing. We kindly ask for your understanding and privacy as we navigate this difficult time and request everyone to avoid gathering near personal property. Please keep his family and loved ones in your thoughts and prayers. May his soul rest in peace." According to his recent social media activity, Anunay was in Las Vegas, where he appeared to be attending a luxury automobile event. His last Instagram post, shared just 2 days before the announcement, featured him posing with sports cars and carried the caption, "Still can't believe I spent the weekend surrounded by legends and dream machines." The post has since been flooded with messages from fans and fellow creators expressing disbelief and condolences. The cause of his death has not yet been disclosed. Anunay Sood was one of India's most recognized travel influencers, celebrated for his cinematic travel reels, stunning drone shots, and high-energy vlogs. With over 1.4 million followers on Instagram and 3.8 lakh subscribers on YouTube, he turned his love for exploration into a successful full-time career. He was featured in Forbes India's Top 100 Digital Stars list for 3 consecutive years, 2022, 2023, and 2024. Apart from his travel ventures, Anunay also managed a Dubai-based marketing firm. He often shared memories with fellow influencers, especially Apoorva Mukhija, with whom he had traveled to several destinations. News of his passing has sent shockwaves through the influencer and travel community. Fans and peers described him as an inspiration, known for his creativity, kindness, and passion. Many called him a pioneer in showcasing luxury and offbeat destinations with cinematic precision, a true storyteller who inspired countless young travelers to chase their dreams. May his soul rest in peace. Anunay Sood's legacy will continue to inspire wanderers around the world.